Hello everyone, this is your Cisco trainer and welcome you to the lecture 2 of the IPv6 from the course CCNA 200-301. It is a 100% completely free course to pass the CCNA exam 200-301, and if you like the video, leave a comment and share to help spread this free series of videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, stay tuned please by just clicking on subscribe button, thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and do not miss the upcoming notifications. This chapter will cover the following topic: IPv6 address types, global unicast address, multicast address, link local address, unique local address, loopback address, unspecified address, solicited node multicast address, auto configuration. Now let's jump and start. In today's lecture, we just covered the global unicast. Types of address in IPv6. Binary reality, IPv6 method. As I told you, in today's lecture we just cover the global unicast address. It will look like in binary reality. The first 3 bit of the IPv6 look like 0, 0, 1. IPv6 method is always IP version 6, a global unicast start with 2000::/3 and with 3 FFF. So it is the complete length of IPv6 global unicast address. Type of address is a global unicast. Binary reality is the first 3 bit is always look like. IPv6 method. So IPv6 global unicast always start with 2000::123 up to what number you want to assign to your P. How we recognize or how we identify the IPv6 a global unicast address. A structure of a global unicast address is the first 3 bit is always 0, 0, 1. A global routing prefix is used to route a global IPv6 address. It means it's a globally reach out of the internet in a global. The next bit is 16 bit as a subnet ID, and we have a 64 bits as an interface ID. A structure of IPv6 looks like we divide 64 has a network ID, and also the half of them is a 64 bits are a host ID. How we identify what does mean 2 and what does mean 3? So IPv6 global unicast start from 2000 and end with 3 FFF. So here we have a combination how the binary methods provide has a 2000 up to 3 FFF. Let's check. If we have a nibble of a byte 8421, now we assign a number to it. In the position of 8 we have 0. In the position of 4 we have 0. In a position of 2 we have 1. In position of 1 we have nothing. So what would be here? Let's check. If we combine these numbers, so the result will be 2. The position of 8 we have 0. In a position of 4 we have 0. In a position of 2 we have 1. In a position of 1 we have 0. So the position of 2, it is 1. 1 means on. So in a header we have 2. It is equal to 2. In a second line we have 0. We have 0. And in a 2 and 1 position we have 1. If we add 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. That is why IPv6 global unicast addresses start from 2000 and to 3. So 2 is assigned the start point of the IPv6 global unicast address, and 3 is end of the global unicast address in IPv6. That is why this formation of binary is a great example for you guys who want to learn IPv6 address. A real popular type of IPv6 address is a global unicast address. Global because this type of address is routable on the internet. This type of address is reachable to the internet, or simply we can say that it is a routable address over the internet. Unicast because it is one-to-one communication flow. It means whenever PC1 want to send a packet, the packet will destined only to the single address on the network. Consider the two PC at the bottom of the screen. When PC1 want to send a packet, only PC2 can receive it. On the other side, not all PC on the network. That is why it is called Global Unicast address. Now let's check. PC1 on the right side of the network want to send a packet to the destination address on the other side of the network. On the left side, a PC2 means each computer has its own unicast IP address. In this example, the destination address 2001::2. So this is a complete information about a global unicast address. These numbers are assigned by INA. In the next lecture, we will cover the other topic of the IPv6 address. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video. If you want to show your support, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share the video with anyone else studying for CCNA.